You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. Yes, indeed, this is very confusing a spelling. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. This is a French variant of the male given name Ralph or Rudolph, also Spanish Raoul. Now, in French it's pronounced Raoul, therefore in English, Raoul. O-U in French is the sound OU, right? So Raoul, Raoul, or in French, Raoul. It's easy. Once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.